Good afternoon, dog walkers everywhere. Another unplanned video log of a dog-friendly pub. However, the unusual thing is, I haven't got the Marth with me. I've got a gig, and she's my own worst critic. She leaves the room when I start playing trombone, so I'm going to film a little bit of this and show you the pub as well, which is really nice. So here we are at the Melbourne Arms. The Melbourne Inn. Did I say Arms? That's the landlord. I should be able to get it right. Dog friendly. Right, let's go and set up. So I'll be warming up. I just realised. So what, with 5 minutes for showtime, 5 minutes for showtime, there's no one in. But we like it that way, it's good. So, they've got now their own little stage, Western accent, very nice. They've got a beer garden outside, a varied menu of food and things like that. They have comedy shows, country music, lots of things.
Sorry. I did ask.